Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the Faculty Driven Institute Resultant. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, as you have already read the topic, can I clear GATE and ESC through online classes? So, guys, through online classes, if you're not going for any offline institutes and all, is it possible that practically you can get a good rank? See, clear means not the cutoff, but getting a good rank. Is it possible through online classes? So let's talk about it and have a look at it. Okay, if it is, how, and if it is not, then also how. Okay, so without any delay, let's start with the session quickly. Before that, I welcome you again to your very own resultant, that is the Faculty Driven Institute. If you are new and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and share it with maximum of your friends. And if you don't know about me, then you can go through my profile as well. And now we'll start with the session. Okay, now here if I'm talking about e-learning, like basically the first question comes that what do you mean by e-learning? See, e-learning is basically here you don't have to go physically to any classes to attend it. Rather, you can sit in your home. If you have any digital device, electronic devices like laptops or mobiles, you can access to the classes which are going on actually online. Okay, so that is e-learning. Here the normal whiteboards or blackboards are being replaced by digital boards. Now you have a lot of more, you can say, access to the things, and that is what is e-learning. So physically you don't have to go, you will sit at your home and you can get access to all the videos live and recorded. That is your e-learning, okay, through your the help of your electronic devices. Now comes the next thing, that basically when you clear your basically UPSC ESC examinations or GATE with e-learning, so what are the benefits of it? First of all, the comfort of the house. See, uh, technically, when you have to go to attend the offline classes and all, you do have to do what you have to travel. First of all, specifically girls, if I talk about very practically from the scratch, you have to think that you have what to wear. Okay, so that will take time. Then getting ready before that, and then going. So this takes around, if I talk on both the way around, so it will take around 2 hours getting ready, going there, then coming back again, then relaxing. So it takes 2 hours on this thing only. But if you are in your home, then what will happen? You will be in your lower t-shirts, you can attend the sessions. Anybody, you will be seeing the faculty, but the faculty will be only reading your chats rather than seeing you, right? So you are in your pajamas, your t-shirts, and also you have saved that time. Okay, so now you have that comfort in your house, provided you should be dedicated. See, anybody who has to not study, he'll be saying that he is going to coaching, he or she can bunk it or can attend half the classes and go. So if you say that ma'am, in house we feel sleepy, so even in coaching classes, offline coaching classes, you can feel sleepy, you tend to bunk the classes, you can do anything. Okay, so provided if you're going studying through online classes, the very first thing is you should be very very serious towards your goal. And if you ask me, it's not that because I'm teaching offline classes, online classes, so I'll praise online classes. But over the session, I'll tell you that there are a lot of benefits as compared to offline classes. Offline classes also have some benefits which I won't deny. Like if you are a person, you become disciplined. Like you have to attend the classes every day, you will go there. Okay. But in house, you are like, you feel like, I'm sleepy, I'll see the recorded one. So you tend to inculcate that laziness if you are not very much dedicated and passionate towards your goal. Otherwise, if everyday classes is there in the evening or morning and you develop that routine of online classes, then whatever happens, whether you sleep 2 hours in the whole night, but then you also you log it out, log in at the desired time. Okay, so first is your comfort of the house. Now lot of options. See, if generally in our time there used to be one coaching classes in our city, so we don't have any option. That time e-learning was not there. Okay, so whatever is there, we have to be satisfied with that only. Okay, because we don't have options. So starting from an average coaching classes, offline coaching classes, so as compared to that, better is that all over India there are so many classes, and whosoever is popular coaching classes, they provide you, they have that facility of e-learning. So whatever you name it, and you'll have that online classes is there. Okay, so now you have a lot of options to choose from. Now you don't have to depend only on that average coaching class of your city. Rather than all over, you have the access that you can purchase any institute's courses. So now your options has been increased. Now you are not constrained to one of the options. Clear? That is also one of the things. Now coming next is flexibility of time. When you talk about flexibility of time, see here, if I talk it about by any reason, like if you are in the offline classes, due to any reason guest came or some mishappening happened, or due any reasons, okay, you were sleeping, you missed your alarm, anything, you're not able to attend the class. Now that day of offline class is gone. Now you have to beg your friends to teach it, take their notes, and if that was a very important class, then you are not able to understand from your friends, it is gone. Now that topic, if you would have attended the class, would have been a solid topic. Now that has become a poor topic of yours. Why? Because due to any reasons, you were not able to attend that offline class. But this is very much good thing. Like if see, sometimes urgency happens, so, ma'am, why we will miss it? So, urgency can happen to anybody, anywhere. Okay, sometimes there was a traffic, you went late to the class, that topic is covered that time, so they won't repeat it for a single student, right? So, flexibility of timing is there here. If let us suppose this happens, you can watch the lectures in the recorded format n number of times. Okay, you can attend the live classes also. You can watch it in the recorded format in case of the sessions which you have missed. So, that is the, I can say, most prior advantage. And one more thing is there, when the faculty teaches, that time you think that you have understood everything. Okay. Because that time everything is teaching, it's fresh, you think that you have understood everything. But when you practically solve questions or when you practically revise it, then the doubts comes. Okay. And you're like, what the faculty told, what is there? Because offline classes he told there's nothing like recorded thing available. Some part of it is stored in the brain, but what about the rest? But in recorded one, if you're having doubt, you can go back to that recording, check it out. Okay, fine, this was the thing. Okay, so that is something you can access to the past things if you are having the doubt currently. That is also the best thing which you will be having in the online classes. Now, doubt clearing session, see generally what happens, and that is practical. Not everybody is a person who can ask to the faculty the doubts, no matter if it is a silly doubt or no matter if it is a good doubt. See, some people think that if offline classes I'm talking about, if I'm asking a doubt, what other person will think of me? If that faculty makes a joke of me, what a silly question, what is this question? Everybody will laugh at me. That frightening is there. That being afraid of being judged will be there. Okay, but in online classes nothing like that. It's just your name which is showing, not even your photo, it's just your name's showing. You can ask any number of doubts, even if you're having silly doubts you can ask it, and nobody is there to judge you, right? So the best part is, even I think the minute to minute doubts are being cleared in the case of online classes. Okay, because specifically live classes, why? And that is immediate, very prompt. If you're having doubt, you're typing it, the faculty is responding to it. You're typing it, the faculty is responding to it. Okay, as compared to the offline sessions where you have 50, 100, more than 100 students there, that time you'll ask doubts, you'll think, I'll ask to my friend. So you procrastinate your doubts, you just postpone your doubts. Okay, you somehow, basically your mind tries to soothe you that it's okay, let's not ask this doubt, because of the terror that what other people will think of me. But in doubt clearing sessions in the online classes, there's no need to worry about it. Let them think, they don't know your face also, what they will do. Okay, they don't know your city also. Okay, but if you're in offline, same city, maybe nearby college, so you have that thing, fear of getting judged. Okay, so this is one of the advantage. Now live classes, if I talk it about, yeah, quickly, promptly, whatever your doubts is there, it can be answered. After live class is over, it will be available in recorded format. You can watch that lecture in number of recorded formats. Generally, if you're a person who think that some people have, see, every person has a different taste. Some people think that, ma'am, recorded classes is boring. Then attend the live classes. The faculty is teaching, the faculty is asking you questions, the faculty is solving numericals. Be the first to answer it. Okay, so live classes, if you ask me that live classes or recorded, which one is better? Obviously both have their own pros and cons, but live classes is better in a sense that if your silly doubts are there, quickly it will be answered, okay, promptly. So for that reason I think live classes is any day better. Okay, now classing, talking about next is, here you will have a better understanding of the subjects. Why? Because here you will be like a proper TOC will be there, that this day we will cover this syllabus, this day we will cover these chapters. So you will have a clear and thorough understanding of the subject. They will develop a pattern. Here is not like that whatsoever faculty is free they'll take the session. No, when you talk about online classes, a proper scheduling is done, that which faculty will take what time and what is the courses, so nobody will extend the subject. this topic should be covered in 2 hours, plus minus 10-20% is there, but you will have a proper TOC. Nobody will exaggerate the things unnecessarily just for the sake of increasing time. Nothing like this will happen. Okay, so live classes are more of very proper, okay, and they'll give you a better understandings of the subjects, and you will have the things that they'll relate it and make you study it in a more easier manner. Okay, now better understanding in one more sense, what will happen is, better understanding in one more sense, what will happen is, see, in the offline classes you have that whiteboard and all that monotonous marker and all, while if you talk about the online classes right now you have digital boards, or if you have standing chroma setup, so the faculty brings the PPTs, the slides, okay, so they can show you the realistic photos of it, which they can't do it in the case of the whiteboards and all. So now if you're studying something, like suppose I'm studying anything, like I'm studying about screening, communities, macrometers, anything of environment if I'm talking about, or if your machines restart and all, if you stick it out, so dealing it with it just by imagining, and if comparatively if a picture of it is there or a video of it is there, you are more easily able to access to it. Okay, it is more easier, so you will have a very thorough understanding, because now not only you are studying it, but you're able to visualize it also, so it will provide you a more better understanding of the subject. Okay, now next coming further is no chows. No chows in a sense, now if I talk it about, see, whenever you go to coaching classes, offline classes, first you have to reserve your seat, because so that nobody sits in the front row, because the back some people are not able to see because of height issues, or some people backbenchers talk, because of which you are not able to see. So what happens is that chatter butter and all those things is there, chit chat is there. Okay, and then when you go there you have to go early 15-20 minutes, so that you can reserve your seat. Sometimes if a big coaching class is there, you to go half an hour, 45 minutes early. Okay, so now what will be then, you're going 45 minutes early, lot of chit chat is going on, you're wasting your time. Okay, you're not able to concentrate, you're not say you are at your home studying, logging it out, you are studying, no course, nothing like this is there. The timing is 6, you'll just go 5:59, obviously the class will start at 6, you don't have to waste a single minute also actually. Clear? So it's that smooth. Now talking about next is, here you can study with your college and job. Now you don't have to hamper, like if my timing of online classes and job, you can manage it. Okay, or even like if you are, let us suppose, coming from the job or going to a job, so you can study it while you're going, you're traveling, that time also you can study. You can study in college and your free time is there. So now you can say things have become super easy. Okay, you said competition is increasing because the resources have increased. Okay, now every person who was constrained that because of finances or anything is not able to go out and study, because accommodation, rental, food, there are a lot of things are there. Now you can study with college. Okay, college free time you can study, watch the recorded lectures, job going and coming time, lunch time, anytime you can watch. So now your time is not wasted, rather then you are able to utilize that time in an optimum manner, and that too in more effectively. Okay, now next coming further is smooth studies and best faculties. Yeah, everybody, like nowadays you have, after every sessions or after every week you have weekly test for your performance to be analyzed, then you have quizzes being performed, then you have best faculties all over the Indias which teaches you. So now it's not a dream that I want to study from those so and so faculty, then I have to go to Delhi or I have to go to Hyderabad or all those places. Okay, now if you want to study from any faculty all over India, what you have to do is just purchase the institute's course, log in, and you're good to go. Okay, so your things are more practical, more realistic, more picturized, more visualized, and is provided with the best faculties. Okay, now next coming is why e-learning becoming popular. Like initially, like from 2000, after COVID, e-learning has, during the COVID basically, e-learning has become so much popular. Before that it was also there, but you can say the boom which came in the e-learning was during the COVID time. Now first is internet. Initially the internet was quite expensive, not everybody was able to purchase it. Now remember the time when 1 GB of data was provided for the whole month, and now 1 to 1.5 GB is provided for a day, and that too it becomes very less for us because of we are surfing, watching videos and all. So initially 1.1 GB for the whole month, can you imagine? And now 1 to 1.5 GB for a day is also even lesser. So now internet is easily accessible. Now even the many of the remoted places also are having the internet. So now things has become easily accessible. Now knowledge is no more a barrier for the people who are living in the isolated places. They can also access to it. So because of the internet. Second is development of multimedia. Now even you can say the tablets, laptops, even your mobile phones. Like initially, if you remember, if I don't know what age you were, if you talk about 2014, 15, 16 and all, initially good mobile phones used to come at 40,000, 50,000. Now even at 10,000 you get a pretty good phones. Okay, 8,000, 5,000 you get pretty good phones. That phone in which you can study. Okay, so your knowledge will not be hampered, your education will not be hampered. I'm talking in that respect. You say, ma'am, but we don't get that megapixel camera. I'm talking in terms of e-learning. Okay, so now you have a lot of multimedia, you have, because of which you can access to this, you can study. Okay, so that's also one of the reason which e-learning is becoming possible. Affordable digital devices, I've already told you, laptop, mobiles, tablets, these are becoming popular. Then demand and supply, guys, see here, generally what happens is, if a batch of offline classes 100, 150 is the people accommodating, suffocating, not able to study from the back, and a lot of things here. Here if 1,000 people are there, 10,000 people are there, you don't have to bother in the online classes. Why? Because anyway you will be seeing the faculty will be teaching the same content. Okay, and you are the one who is away from the chaos, no disturbance, nothing like that, properly able to see it. Now if you see that, ma'am, there is another vibe if I go to offline classes. Yes, but you, for that vibe you have to invest 2 hours of coming, going, getting ready, reserving your seat, even sometimes if you're staying far off, more than that. Okay, secondly, if by chance any you miss your classes, you won't be able to access to that lecture, and after that it won't be available later on. If you have doubts, you don't have anything like recorded there. Okay, so that is, you can say, constraints which are there. Here whatever you have doubts is there, whatever your queries is there, that will be resolved. Test series will be there, doubt clearing sessions will be there. And nowadays faculties are so much with the students that they provide you with the numbers. You can contact them, get the answers, get the queries. So things have become pretty much, you can say, here right now, easy breezy. Now you don't have to be terrified with the faculties. Now faculties are having a good bond with the students. Even your silliest doubt are most welcome. Okay, so this is all the things. So guys, so if you think that if can you crack GATE and ESE through online classes, yes you can. Many students who are the top scorers, they are also the online students of various institutes. Why? Because it's your dedication, motivation and passion towards your goal. If you're passionate, it's not the offline and online classes. If you have that discipline that no, I have to sit at the morning, study for 2 hours, I have to attend the coaching classes online. If you have that dedication, that nobody can stop you. Okay, so if you have it, you can do it through online classes. And if you're a person who is procrastinating the things, who have lot of excuses to be made, then even offline classes also you won't be able to crack it. Okay, so yes, you can crack GATE and ESE through online classes. I have told you the advantage of it, and a lot more things are there. The doubt clearing sessions, you are never judged by anybody. Okay, that is the best part about it. Fine. So that's all for today, guys. I hope now you got the answer that can you crack GATE and ESE. And guys, thank you so much. And if you want to connect with me, you can type Civil by Richa Gupta. I'm there in Instagram by Richa Gupta Official. So you guys can connect with me, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you, everyone.